Welcome, guys. Warm welcome to another episode of Green Talkies. Beautiful day. We are in Navjot's terrace. Whenever we don't really find a very pro-environment place because of rain or something, it's the terrace because you have a beautiful view out there, even the other side. So today we have with us Neha. She is into martial arts and nth number of other things. लेकिन अगर सब मैं बता दूंगी तो ये क्या बताएगी. So welcome Neha. Thank you so much for doing this for us. I know exams, studies, martial arts, discipline, and taking care of the house. Lots of things you're doing at the same time, and giving us 15 to 30 minutes means a lot. Thank you so much in the beginning. Thank you so much because of that. Tell me something about बचपन से शुरू करें. Let's start something about how was schooling, how was that growing up period. I mean, you're still growing up, you're young, but that tiny little height growing out period.
ओके सो सबके लाइफ में होता ही है, सबके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. सो ऑफ कोर्स इवन आई एम वन ऑफ देम हु हैव स्ट्रगल्ड अ लॉट सिंस चाइल्डहुड, बट दैट स्ट्रगल डिडंट टेक मी टू वेन, बट उसने मुझे और यू नो इट हेल्प्ड मी टू गेन मोर माय पर्सनालिटी, माय करेज. एंड देन वंस ऐसा भी एक टाइम आया था कि दैट आई वाज अ ruined child, but then school time में okay I just wanted to smoke with my friends at the very small age. I wanted to look cool, I wanted to be very hunky kind of guy. But what I did is I chose martial art after watching lots of Chinese movies.
We have two kind of people. One who will watch Jackie Chan and be like, damn, he's good. And the other kind will be like, I have to do that. You're the second one.
Yeah, exactly. So I so wanted to do that. Actually, I wanted to learn kung fu.
Kung Fu.
But I didn't find that in Shillong. शिलोंग में कुंग फू नहीं है, कराटे है, ताइक्वांडो है, बट कुंग फू नहीं है. सो उसके बाद मैं अपने पापा को जाके बोली, पापा मुझे ताइक्वांडो सीखना है, आई वांट टू लर्न ताइक्वांडो. सो ही सेड फर्स्ट तुम मुझे सुबह उठ के दिखाओ, यू आर लेजी इनफ.
Challenge one. चलिए दिखाओ.
उठ के दिखाओ. एंड देन व्हाट डिड आई डू, पापा ने बोला 5 बजे उठो. आई स्टार्टेड वेकिंग अप एट 4:30 एंड आई उठ गई मैं. आई डिड दिस रेगुलरली फॉर 10 days.
Every day.
Every day,
उठ के
continuously.
करती क्या थी? What would you do?
Running here and there.
So in fact, before starting martial arts, you actually started preparing, like running,
Exactly.
physical activity. and
I
all.
didn't know what to do, what to not. I just thought of running would be the best thing. Except that I don't know anything what to do, what to not. At that time I was just 13 or 12, something like that. So 4:30 बजे उठ के, एंड मेरे को सिर्फ दिखाना था पापा को कि मैं उठ सकती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ करना है, सिर्फ दिखाना था आई कैन वेक अप. दो आई एम लेजी ना, बट आई कैन वेक अप. तो 10 दिन ऐसा चला, एंड देन एट लास्ट आई मैनेज टू कन्विंस हिम. एंड इसके बाद हम लोग गए, एडमिशन करवाया. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ क्लास वॉज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. व्हाट डिड आई रियलाइज इज, जो बच्चे सिर्फ स्कूलिंग करते हैं उनके दिमाग में बहुत खुरापाती चीज़ चलती है.
Wow.
Unless
I
and
agree.
unless and until they don't do any other curriculum activity, खुराफाती चलती ही चलती है. क्योंकि किताब कब लेना है भाई, रात को 5 बजे बैठेंगे पढ़ाई करने के लिए. शुंदर शुए
5 बजे.
या
मैं बैठती थी 7 बजे, 7:30. Done, bro.
only for
Done.
2 hours or 3 hours, not more than that. And the rest of the time what will they do is बाहर जाएंगे, खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे. कोई खेलते हैं, कोई खुराफाती करते हैं. बट अगर आप एक करिकुलम एक्टिविटी में घुसते हो तो उससे क्या होता है, आपका ब्रेन फिक्स रहता है कि मुझे वो करना है.
Yeah, because you have a motto beyond first term, second term, and third term examination. No, I mean that's the reason why people study. In a young age, no one is like, we have this thing, aim on life. I want to be a doctor. Why are you studying? Class में second नहीं आए तो मम्मी बड़ी पीटेगी. First मैंने बोला ही नहीं. So that is their motive.
एग्जैक्टली. नोबडी वांट्स टू गेट एजुकेट. हर किसी को लिटरेट होना है,
हाँ.
हर किसी को लिटरेट लिटरेसी का डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए, बट नोबडी वांट्स टू गेट एजुकेटेड. एनीवे, तो उसके बाद व्हेन आई जॉइन आई सॉ कॉम्पिटिशन्स ब्रो. आई थॉट कि
Yeah.
लाइफ इज इजी, सिर्फ पढ़ना है, लिखना है, खाना है, सोना है
और क्या?
और क्या. बट वंस मैंने स्टेप किया इनटू मार्शल आर्ट, आई I saw myself behind everyone. सबके पीछे पाया मैंने. Everyone एक से बढ़कर एक. उससे पता चला कि competition is so high, bro. So
You need
high.
to struggle.
You need to struggle. और वही चीज़ comes in every art. Whether in martial art, whether in drawing, sketching, reciting poems, writing quotes, anything. Do anything. उसमें competition high रहेगा ही. तुमसे बेहतर लोग भी हैं. तो तब क्या आता है ना, तब वो जो खुराफाती दिमाग है वो चला जाता है और ये आता है कि मैं उससे आगे कैसे बढ़ूँ. And this makes our
This is a
children
healthy competition. No, it's not
Healthy
about
competition,
defeating
exactly.
someone. It's about making yourself better.
Exactly. डिफीटिंग का बात नहीं है, बात है कि मुझे बेहतर बनना है, मुझे बेहतर बनना है. सो और यही चीज़ मुझे हेल्प किया टू गेट नॉट टू गेट ruined. Helped me a lot. That's why I don't smoke, I don't drink.
I mean, you won't have the stamina also to do what you're doing, no? If you are spoiling your health.
Exactly. If I start eating outside food, junk food like chips, junk food like frozen food. So what will happen is that will reduce my strength, my stamina. Immunity खाता है वो. That will never increase your immunity. That will eat your immunity.
Tell me, how has martial arts changed your perspective towards life? What is that best thing that you got from it? You, like you said, it is something that you did out of passion. कुछ तो ऐसा होगा that you just embraced. That one thing
Peace
that
of
you love
mind.
about. Peace of mind.
Peace of mind. The more you practice, the more you stretch yourself, the more you push yourself, the more peace of mind you get.
So it's not just about letting out of aggression or something of that sort.
No. Martial art वही खत्म नहीं होता. It is beyond that. It is beyond self-defense. It is beyond your body's strength. It is beyond your stamina. It gives you patience. A lot of patience, because
can understand.
you cannot build up your strength in one day. You cannot build up your stamina in one day.
How difficult was it? I mean, कितने घंटे practice?
2 hours, morning, evening.
So that's basically at least 4 hours of practice.
Yes, but you cannot, push yourself more. You cannot practice for too long. That is also bad. Everything
Too much of anything is not
good. उसमें भी लिमिटेशन है. ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की वजह से आपका बॉडी इतना स्ट्रेंथ, मतलब इतना अगर साथ नहीं दे पाया तो you might fall
In the
sick.
long term, you'll not be able to continue with it, no?
Exactly. Your muscles will break.
What did you have wear and tears of the body, like days when you couldn't wake up, couldn't
I
go
was
further
forget about waking up. I was suffering from fever due to that.
because of practicing?
Because of practicing. First day I went for practice, I fainted. मेरे कोच ने मुझे गोद में उठा के साइड में रखा. 10 बजे जब 10 मिनट के बाद जब होश आया, and he was like, हो गया, आजा शुरू करते हैं.
What do you mean by आ जाओ शुरू करते? I just fainted.
Right? सो के नहीं उठी भाई मैं. फेंट हुई थी मैं. आजा.
Maybe that also made you stronger, made your body more resilient to all of these strenuous postures or whatever.
Exactly.
Kicks and punches. What is the speciality of Taekwondo?
Kicking. More than
Laugh.
punching, kicking.
Laugh.
पिछवाड़े में laugh.
Laugh. Khali laugh.
And then it was a very good experience for me, 11 years. Since 11 years I have been into this.
It's meditative, isn't it?
It is, yeah, we do meditation too.
You do meditation as well?
Yes. हर प्रैक्टिस के बाद हमें 5 से 10 मिनट तक हमें शांत बैठाया जाता है.
Calm it down.
टू काम योरसेल्फ डाउन. क्योंकि वो सब प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद तुम्हारा मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना पड़ता है. बिकॉज मार्शल आर्ट का मतलब सिर्फ हाथ पे चलाना नहीं, दिमाग चलाना भी है. बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्टेप इनटू अ रेटिना, आप जब मैच में पैर रखोगे तब आपको ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वी नीड टू फाइट, वी कैन फाइट, धाम धूम मारेगा आ जाएगा. नो, ऐसा नहीं होता. यू विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड. You just cannot go and hit somebody like rules and regulations are there. You just cannot go and hit anyone very, roughly,
Have you hit someone really bad out of control?
No, I've never done that.
See, imagine you have all the power, you know the moves, but you never exploited it.
Misusing.
Yeah.
I don't misuse, and we are not allowed to misuse. We are not allowed to misuse. If we will misuse this, then of course it will be a like martial art का बेइज्जती करना होगा.
हाँ, I can understand.
बेइज्जती नहीं करना है हमें. It's like our, you know, we need to respect. We need to respect this art. We just cannot slap somebody out of anger. You know, I'm a martial artist. Come fight with me.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, we cannot do that. If somebody will quarrel with us, we just have to say, okay, bye. तू जीता मैं आ रहा. 2 + 2 is equal to 5. And I agree.
तू अपने रास्ते में
मैं
अपने
अपने
रास्ते.
रास्ते.
Tell me something. अभी तो positions होते हैं ना, like ये belt वो belt. Tell
Yeah,
me
yeah.
something about that. How many belts?
There are 6 belts. हमारे टाइम पे 6 belts था. अभी चेंज हो गया है. अभी स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाते हैं. Like पहले हमारा जैसा था white, yellow, green, blue, red, black. Done.
And your?
अभी ऐसा सिचुएशन है. White, step 1, step 2, then yellow, step 1, step 2, like that.
It has become more segregated and structured then.
Exactly.
You are which belt?
I'm black belt.
So you're authorized to teach?
No, I'm
Once
not.
you open a...
I'm not.
Why?
Because just being a black belt, you are not authorized to teach anyone. Because for that you need a coach certificate, of course. And even in a black belt, there are a lot of, like, you know, steps and layers. Just first black belt is not enough. At least you need to get step 3 or 4 to
Okay.
be a coach.
So do you want... Are you planning to go up to step
No,
3?
I'm not.
So you don't want to teach?
No, I don't want to teach. That's not my passion. That's not my.
What is your passion? If I may ask.
Of course, you can ask, but I think I wanted to be a IPS officer.
You want to be an IPS officer?
I want to be an IPS officer.
काम आएगा. Martial arts तभी भी काम आएगा.
Exactly. But I don't want to teach.
Are you planning for UPSC examinations?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. We need to have more people like you in the forefront. It is necessary. As a woman, how does it feel to walk on the road knowing that if something, I'll not say unfortunate, I don't even want to bring destiny, if something shitty happens, and you know it's very prevalent, not from today, it has been prevalent always. Women atrocities have always been there, it's just got a media attention now. If something untrodden happens, you know you can defend yourself.
Of course.
It's not like ऐसे ही तो पिट के और molested होके तो नहीं आ जाऊंगी, 2-3 मार के. How is that feeling?
The feeling is very good, you know. Of course, I've never faced this. I've never faced this in my life. But
I hope that you don't. I hope no woman ever faces it.
Exactly. But it's not about martial art, I would say. It's about courage. If you are courageous, you don't need to learn martial art. Of course, martial art plays a vital role
In
Of
building
course.
up that courage as
Courage,
well.
courage. I agree to that. That I have a lot of courage, and ऊपर से I am a martial artist. So if anybody will come to me and do certain things, shitty things, then I just can, you know, kick their ass. I just can kick their face. उनका नक्शा बिगाड़ देना है बस शक्ल का. That's fine. But you just need a courage, you know. If you have a courage, then you can defeat anyone. Anyone. Though if you don't know martial art, even a simple girl can do. But what the first thing they do is they get panic. And getting panic will always help you, you know, will not help you out.
Panicking.
Panic होते हैं बोल के वो like people can do anything they want to.
True. डर बहुत खतरनाक चीज है.
डर
होना भी चाहिए, 1-2 चीजों में होना भी चाहिए,
और नहीं भी होना चाहिए.
नहीं भी होना चाहिए. संतुलन, बैलेंस.
Balance.
डाइट क्या है आपका? Let's talk about your diet. Look very fit. You have to be. I mean that's obvious.
No, actually the thing is that being fit is जैसे कि लोग जब जिम करते हैं उनका एक प्रॉपर डाइट रहता है.
True.
बट वी मार्शल आर्टिस्ट हमें वो डाइट नहीं दिया जाता. बट आवर कोच विल फोर्स अस टू ड्रिंक यू नो मटन का सूप. He will not force us. He will tell us to do. You know, he will tell us to eat mutton ka soup. He will tell us to eat fruits. He will tell us to eat vegetables. Raw egg. You know, raw egg. दूध में घोल के. I did that. हर practice के बाद घर
Thought
जाके.
itself is not tasty inside my head.
Forget about the taste. It stinks very bad. Very bad.
But you're not into junk food and stuff like
No,
that.
I'm not. I am not. But yeah, all of like once in a blue moon I do
Chalta
eat.
hai.
कभी कभी चलता है, but
This just reminds me of something. Look how sustainable self-defense makes you. Because you have to take care of your body, which everyone, by the way, should. You stop eating food that comes in packages and plastics.
yeah,
Isn't it? I mean,
Exactly.
your plastic consumption is really, really less.
very less.
Because जो बन रहा है आपका घर में मटन सूप तो प्लास्टिक में नहीं आएगा ना.
घर में बन रहा है. Vegetables, fruits, milk, everything.
See, that's the connection between martial arts and better nature and sustainability. One biggest connection, I believe, that you said, peace of mind. Unless you have peace here, how would you bring peace outside?
Exactly.
How? It takes something extra to sit down and think about nature, to be meditative about it, to consider it your own. And I think martial arts brings that discipline in you.
Very
That no,
much.
I don't need to consume things from outside. And I don't need to buy a packet of potato chips. I don't need to buy a big, a big thing of chocolate or flakes and things like that.
And once you are a customer of that, you will not even feel like to eat.
Your body doesn't like it anymore, does it?
I don't. Like, I don't prefer much. Okay, sometimes I do eat because if my friends will bring it, I just cannot tell.
You're also a man of habit, no? You're a human
course.
being at the end
Human
of the
being.
day.
So I
but
just
it's
cannot resist.
considerably less.
Yeah, it's
Just
very-
imagine a nice thing where all the young ones are induced into any form of self-defense, any form of physical
Yeah.
activity. They'll be so conscious about keeping themselves fit and energized that the whole plastic consumption is going to get reduced by 50%.
Exactly.
There you go, solution. Personal gain, good health, nature gain, lesser plastic. No cigarette butts because no smoking, no cigarette butts. No extra glass bottles because no drinking.
Exactly. I don't drink cold drinks.
No cold drinks.
That
Poison,
is
that's
highly,
poison.
highly, highly toxic. It's because why it's highly toxic? Because it consumes a lot of sugar, lot of sugar, and moreover that also in a plastic bottle.
I have not tasted cold drinks in my life. Not because back then when I was young, I was not into physical fitness or so much that I have to trek day in and day out. I did it because I didn't like the smell, yeah.
Okay.
First time you smell, no.
You really like.
No, not at all. Did not like the smell. It's something that if my nose doesn't like a food, it might be tasty for the whole world. I'll not like it. Biryani. I cook very well. No. It's wrong. That dish is just wrong. It's good for everyone else. In my head, the dish is wrong.
Okay.
Nahi chalega. But yes, the reason why I can connect is because I make everything at home. We don't consume maida, refined flour. So bread, biscuits, the strips of pastas, everything is made at home. And this made me also realize, because I'm a little health conscious and I have to be, how much of a less plastic consumption I do. Is this? It's 2 steps more for you because you're
Exactly.
professionally into it, and your physical fitness, give or take, has to be better than mine. It has to be.
It has to be.
I don't go about kicking for 4 hours, no.
Yes.
I go about walking for 9 hours, but I still have my rest. Yours is a discipline.
Exactly. If I start consuming those plastic food, what will happen to my stamina? And moreover, I'll tell you, my stamina is not that much good. It took a lot of time for me to gain this. Lot of time. जो लोग एक दिन में करते थे, मुझे 4 दिन लगता था. एक दिन में लोग stretch करते थे, मुझे 1 हफ्ता लगता था.
Yeah.
Anything?
Now you can stretch.
Yeah, of course I can, but don't ask me to
No,
do now.
of course not. I'm not going to make you stretch, but I might take a picture and
Okay.
put it like here, right here. You guys are going to see a full picture. It's a motivating factor. I find stretches so, that I find cool. You were talking about the macho giri. I find that so cool. Abs and muscles, not like steroid abs and muscles.
No, no.
Workout करके,
No.
genuine workout करके, physical exhaustion से abs and muscles.
You will-
मेरा तो आएगा नहीं.
You will never see martial artists का broad chest,
Yeah, like
broad
that.
muscles. They don't
Very
have.
lean.
They are very lean. They are very slim. They are very slim. You'll never find any martial artist. Have you seen Bruce Lee? He's so thin. He was thin, sorry, but he never,
He's lanky guy.
But he was very fast.
True. They would say, when he would shoot things in the movies, his actions were so fast, they would have to slow down the reels. So that it could be captured and then shown as a part of a movie. That's how fast he was.
So people who think
Flash, who said Flash doesn't exist? Quicksilver doesn't exist. Bruce Lee,
exactly.
in life and bones.
If you think just having a good muscles will make you strong, no. They're
Stamina.
stiff. They're stiff.
Mm.
People who are into gym, of course, they are highly strengthable, but they are stiff.
I think there's pros and cons of everything. Maybe a balance where you work out and you do martial arts. I like yoga, so you do yoga because
Exactly.
I stay in places where, of course, I'll not get equipment. And I wish I would have been on the other side of the Jackie Chan movies where I could have watched it and I would be like, damn, I need
No,
to
it
learn
is
this
not
as well.
necessary. It is not necessary. In order to build up your strength, you need to go for martial art. It is not necessary. Gymming is also one of the things which you can go for it to build up your strength. It is not important to take a steroid. It is not important. That's totally bad. But जो भी आप अपनी मेहनत से कर
कर
सकते हो.
सकते हैं.
And even
Yeah,
yoga.
oh yes, oh yes.
Yoga.
Totally.
This is the best thing.
Totally.
Though
agree.
I don't do, I do certain things because हमारे martial arts में भी एक दो yoga poses
Poses हैं.
करवाते हैं. Halasana.
Halasana. I
तो
love
करवाते ही
doing
हैं.
Halasana myself.
वो हमारे मार्शल आर्ट में करवाते ही है सो दैट जब तक
It's
हमारा
integrated learning, ना?
एग्जैक्टली जब तक हमारा बैक स्ट्रेचेबल नहीं होगा व्हाट विल हैपन टू अस राइट हमारा हिप हैज टू बी वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेचेबल होना पड़ेगा दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग भी योगा करते हैं सो योगा इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग
Tell me, I mean, one of the last things that I really want to ask is, what do you think is one of the best stress busters that you have? In this generation, it's a stress society. Beck has very nicely put, it's a stress society. And something or the other lingers in your head. मेरे लिए कचरा है, it lingers in my head. किसी और के लिए personal relationship होते हैं, किसी बच्चों के लिए पढ़ाई. छोटे से छोटे बच्चों के लिए पढ़ाई has become a stress. Instead of knowledge becoming something peaceful, it's become a stress. किसी के लिए family stress है, किसी के लिए शादी. What do you think is a very good stress buster? What do you do when you're stressed?
आई डांस
My favorite move comes in play. You're stressed?
डांस
I mean, it's amazing. It's something. Play on the music that you like and dance.
whatever you can you want
Dance
to
the
do bhangra
sweat
you
out.
want to do salsa whatever you want to do because I just
Navjot, you're holding the device. No bhangra, okay? The whole video is going to go like this. But yeah, just dance. I do that a lot. Just dance.
because you just cannot kick inside the house घर के सामान टूट जाएगा भाई
Yeah.
but what can you do is exactly you can dance
Don't laugh. Okay, this is a very famous move that we have. It's built, innovated, and modified by the great Navjot.
and the more
Dance.
grace you'll have in your body the more good you'll feel about yourself
Okay, I got reminded of something. I think dancing is something that makes you so happy. We were in Mutong last day of Plastic Festival, and people got full on in their mode and they were playing, and Navjot and I were dancing. We have this one guy. He doesn't care about the world. This was his move. All he did for half an hour was this, and then I realized that how happy this guy must be that whatever rhythm he's catching at that moment, he's just there.
exactly
That's what any form of physical activity does. It makes you forget everything and you're just there. And once you're out of it, you forget what were you stressed about.
exactly and that is necessary
Do you think somewhere down the line self-defense should be a part of a school curriculum as well?
it should be because the first thing you'll get from that the first benefit you'll get from martial art is students will be disciplined जल्दी उठना टाइम पे खाना बाहर का नहीं खाना they'll be very disciplined
अपने आप में आ जाएगा ना?
अपने आप में आ जाएगा जरूरी नहीं है कि मम्मी पापा को उठाना पड़ेगा करना पड़ेगा नहीं वो अपने आप कर लेंगे फर्स्ट थिंग इज डिसिप्लिन सेकेंड थिंग इज दे विल बी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग रहेगा कोरोना वायरस इज ऑफ कोर्स दिस वायरस इज स्प्रेडिंग सो हाई पीपल आर डाइंग अगर उनका इम्यूनिटी बच्चे का अगर इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग रहे
True.
you think this virus will affect them no they won't it won't affect them
And I think another benefit is we know the percentage of young children that go through child abuse. Said, unsaid.
Abuse.
Said, unsaid. They can at least stand up and say no. It is not the strength to hit. It is the strength to say no. This is wrong. You don't get to do it. ये ना आधा लोगों में be that a man, a woman, a child, that fear that if something is done wrong, I do not have that that chivalry or that strength in me to stand up and say that stop. No, you will not do this.
And if
You
they
don't get
still
to do this.
if they, after even telling no,
Kick
even
their
after,
asses.
they will say no, but they will not get that courage to kick their ass.
That's where defense, self-defense, in the
It's
form of martial
necessary.
arts, physical activities, boxing,
Necessary.
anything.
And out of that, I think sex education is also important.
Very important.
We
I'm
have-
a full-on advocate of sex education. You need to know what is a touch, no?
Exactly, you need to know.
Because your papa is also coming and hugging you that close, and you, as a child, you'll feel that is how love is supposed to be given.
Yeah.
You don't understand. We
The
have become
difference.
complicated. We are human beings, no?
There's a very thin line. Very thin
And
line.
a child won't understand that thin line. Make them realize proper sex education.
Exactly.
I have nothing against legal pornography. It is a job people do, but not everything that is shown out there is real. Okay, so you need to know how proper intercourse is supposed to be held, when, with whom. These things need to be clear in your head,
Exactly.
and parents may not be very vocal about it. But that's their call. A school can.
So, sex education should be a part of the schooling.
That is
Not
true.
only sex education,
That is
even-
totally true.
Not only sex education, but also martial arts should be a part of this schooling.
There you go,
So
guys.
that-
Martial arts, part of schooling, better growth, less plastic, because you need to take care of your health, so you cannot have chips and chocolates and anything that
Exactly.
comes in plastic. It's all rounder solution.
Exactly. They'll be more disciplined.
What is the last thing that you would want to? How would you want to end this whole session?
I would tell to every parents that encourage your children for martial art, so that not only they'll have a good physical growth, but also they will be a very good, they'll be a very good zaria for a healthy environment.
Better health, better environment, and if not martial arts, then
Dance.
dance. She's taking the camera away from me. My voice is still going to linger. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you very, very soon.